Lighten up your website and boost your Instagram profile at the same time. Believe it or not, I'm not kidding. By utilizing one of the finest website builders, Elementor, you can seamlessly integrate your Instagram feeds into your website with even greater flexibility. And it's simpler than you might think. All you need is an Instagram feed widget, which you will find on our all-in-one social media plugin, WPSocialNinja. Let's get started. Begin by downloading WPSocialNinja from the WP repository and installing it. We have added the link in the description. Next, head to the WPSocialNinja dashboard and you'll discover 30+ available social media platforms. Now, link your Instagram account with WPSocialNinja. There are 3 account types: personal account, business account, and manual connect. Go with personal or business depending on your account. But in case you're managing your client's website and they're hesitant to share their passwords, you can manually connect their Instagram account without any need for passwords, thanks to WPSocialNinja. For now, let's stick with the personal account type. If you have multiple businesses, you can also link multiple Instagram accounts with WPSocialNinja. Next, add a new template to create an Instagram feed. The feed type and preferred account have already dialed in, but feel free to make adjustments or add multiple accounts if you're feeling it. You have a lot of customizations available on WPSocialNinja, such as template, filters, posts, and much more. We covered them all in a different video. If you haven't watched that video yet, check this video out now. We tried to cover most of the social feed features in that video, and I hope you will love it. Once you are done, save the template. Remember the template number. The next objective is to add this Instagram feed to Elementor. For that, go to your page and you will see the Edit with Elementor button. Go with it, but make sure you have the Elementor website builder installed and updated. Otherwise, you won't find this button. Now search Social Ninja Instagram over here to find it faster. Do you remember the template number? Select it and the feed will appear like this. Elementor is one of the best web page builders for WordPress, offering extensive customization features. From funky effects to color craziness, typography twirls, and creating engaging and beautiful pages without any coding knowledge, it's the real MVP. Let's customize our feed a bit. Now, hit the publish button and see the preview. It seems good to me. Feel free to give it a go. We know you can create something better. Comment below with what you have created. We'd love to see your work. While you can easily add Instagram feeds with WPSocialNinja, turning it into an Elementor Instagram feed gives you even more flexibility in how your feed appears on your website. Check the description, visit our website, and download WPSocialNinja now. Thanks for watching!